we're gonna take a beautiful Air China down directly to Chengdu. Who else is ready for Chengdu, you think? And the usual, we park our Hongxi. It's just the weather to travel today. At the end we decided we take the car and we drive down to Oslo, which we did 8 hours. Today is the Mooncake Festival, by the way, so the mooncake is a must. Anyway, now Chengdu, let's get out. Alrighty, guess today. Yes, it's time to leave, it's time to go to China. Our Hongxi is packed. We have lots of space with us. We brought some empty luggage, of course. So we're gonna go shopping. So each of us has at least 1 or 2 bags with them and some extras. Well, we're excited. We are on track, on time actually. 2-hour drive to the airport. Really bad weather. Storm Amy is hitting, of course, when we travel. It's always exciting. So let's see how this is gonna go. I hope we don't run into delays or miss some flights. And if everything goes wrong, everything goes right. We'll be going from Trondheim to Oslo today, then Oslo, Frankfurt. In Frankfurt, we're going to hit the bed. We have a hotel there. And tomorrow at 2 o'clock, I think, in the afternoon, we're going to take a beautiful Air China down directly to Chengdu. So, see you on the way. Who else is ready for Chengdu, you think?
I'm ready.
Are you now? And mommy is ready too?
Of course.
All right, we are on the go. China, here we come! And the usual, we park our Hongxi, found a brother from another mother at our dealership, get the service done, and when we are back from China, oh, it's windy. We pick it up. Telling you, it's really, really windy. I'm a bit scared for the flight today. I hope this goes all well. There's no major delays. But yeah, we had some trees, lots of trees blown over on the street. It's just the weather to travel today. Trees and yeah, God, you name it. I mean, have a look around. This is crazy. So I'm just waiting for the pickup now. As a taxi that I ordered. They should come any moment. And yeah, adventure begins. Oh, I'm gonna sit in the car and wait. I'm telling you, this is not cool. Absolutely not cool. Oh, it's too much. Ooh. Let's jump into the car and wait here. Oh. Wow, it is windy. It is very windy. But yeah, I was saying we had some phone lines, light posts and trees blown over the road, and we had to do several, I think 3 or 4 detours because the road was closed at certain points, blown over trees, and yeah, you name it. It is crazy. The weather is absolutely crazy today. So yeah, waiting for the taxi now to pick me up here. I'm then going to the airport, checking in, and then hopefully we can make the flight. And there's not going to be major delays. Wow, car is moving. I'm just hoping to get to Frankfurt tonight because our flight to China is tomorrow. Holy cow, this is bad. Yeah. Anyway, sorry. The whole car is shaking. I mean, the wind is just crazy. It's really absolutely mad. So yeah, let's see. Fingers crossed we get to Frankfurt tonight at one point or another and hitchhike our flight to Chengdu tomorrow. Then we're good. Let's see. Yeah, we start the trip with a nice pickup. High standard van. The Maxus actually. Look at those seats. This is nice. This is just the right way to get to China. We made it to the airport, checked in our stuff. Girls are busy on their phone. I'm having a cold one, blonde. What can I say? There's lots of cancellations, lots of delays. Our flight is not affected just yet. Our flight to Oslo at 4 o'clock, so let's see. Fingers crossed, as I said. That just cancelled another flight. So right now we're just sitting here and waiting. The good old waiting game. Our flight is in like 2 hours. So fingers crossed we make it to Oslo and then further to Frankfurt. Exciting. Let's see. Alrighty, little update. around 1.5 hours delay. That is if the aircraft manages to land, which many tried and failed. So I think we're just gonna grab a seat here and wait. It's on the shore already, it's arriving. Be nice to see if it's gonna make it or not. Well, let's see. Got a nice view here, or more or less at least. You can see it's flying in over the fjord over there, and then hopefully make the landing. There's our flight. You see it, it's 2,650 feet. It's coming in, not too far out now. See if we can make it or not in the first attempt. Yes, and up there is our aircraft. Didn't make it go around. Not a good sign. Yeah, here we have it. It's climbing. So that was trial 1. They do max 2 trials, I guess, and they're gonna return, I think. Well, let's see how it goes. Give it another shot, maybe. Right now at the airport where we are, we have winds up to 27 meters per second, which is miles per hour, kilometers, up to 52 knots. So yeah, if you have winds that speed, this is not easy to land, especially when it comes as a crosswind. Exciting, not. Let's see. Well, I do believe I have a plan B. If this goes wrong, and he can't make the landing, then there's no way we're going to make the flight to Oslo. If we get stuck here, then we're going to jump into the car, drive down to Oslo. I'm going to do that through the night. It's going to take me 8 to 9 hours. That's fine. And then hopefully to get rebooked on the flight from Oslo to Frankfurt in the morning instead, so we can make our Air China to Chengdu later on. So there is hope. Let's see. All right, this is not what we wanted to see. I think the aircraft has already given up. It just decided not to come. So it's on its way back to Oslo. It's climbing. It's on 18,300 feet, already 500. So no, there is no more attempts. So I think we are stuck in Trondheim. So now let's see what I have to offer or to say. I don't think there's going to be any more flights today.
What?
Wow. So not cool, telling you. Let's see what we're gonna do. Alrighty, it is official. Our flight has been cancelled. So we were supposed to pick up our luggage, and guess what happened? Power outage. Everything went black. Conveyor belt stopped. So now we're waiting, working on a plan B. I'm number 595 in queue. Let me double check if it has moved anywhere. Connecting. No, I'm number 564 in queue now, so it's moving forward. We just got a message from SAS, still no stuff here, that the flight is cancelled and they're going to look into that. Thank you. Let's pick up the luggage. Here we are. Power is back, which is good news. We got our luggage. What we didn't get is any response. We took the queue over there through some waiting. We finally made it. To be told to... Somebody's angry, I think. No, to be told to just sit and wait. We might get an email or some other form of information about the new flights. I offered myself to drive all the way down to Oslo, those 8 hours, to catch the flight tomorrow morning, but the flight is, of course, full, overbooked. So this was not an option. Now we are stranded. Didn't get very far, just 2 hours from home. Yay. Waiting now for a new flight. Let's see. Service top notch as always. And around 1 hour later, 6:30, we received this message telling us, well, yeah, we're not going to do anything. That's on you. Well, good morning. We somehow made it. Our flight got cancelled. It ended up in no service whatsoever from neither SAS or Lufthansa. So we were 4 hours on the phone and everything. And at the end, we decided we take the car and we drive down to Oslo, which we did 8 hours, no problem. fixed it. Did I sleep? No. Am I tired? Yes. But coming to Oslo, my old playground, my old work colleagues here, 18 years, met the right person, Mr. Adjun. He rebooked us immediately, so now we are flying from Oslo to Stockholm, then from Stockholm with Air China to Beijing, and then from Beijing to Chengdu. Well, we're gonna arrive later, obviously. Instead of 6 in the morning, it's gonna be 4 in the afternoon. But hey, that is a very, very good option. We don't complain about that. But now, we're checked in, we're ready. Now we're gonna go hit the lounge, and that's that. Wow. Still Stockholm, waiting for our flight. We have another 2 hours for departure. So this is the last hurdle we have, passport control. Once this is done, we're through. We are in our aircraft from Air China. Today the 350-900. I'm kind of happy because we booked business class, or they have the new seats. So we're gonna try that out today. It's gonna be kind of cool. That said, I think I slept for an hour, which was badly needed. And 9 hours here is actually a bit long. It's not much to do. But yeah, hey, why not? As long as we get to China, we're good. So, let's try to get this done. Get on the aircraft, and then I'll see you in there. Right, boarding, getting into place, little princess. Mommy. I'm gonna hide over here. Nice seats there. Every seat is an aisle seat. Nice touchscreen. Very good space. I like it. And of course we have our slippers on. I think we're gonna be fine here. Well, me, I'm gonna sleep for sure. Oh, that is a really nice cabin. It's 18 rows of those seats. Mom is taking pictures of us. Alright. Nice. Modern, fresh. I mean, like, approved. So we have this nice table here. Comes out, folded up, pretty spacious. And then we have some hidden storage things. Let's see. Press this button, we have controls in there, charger, normal electricity, USB-C, and there is the plug for your headphones, I would guess. We got our bed already. Let's see what we find here. It's also something to open. Let's see. Some more storage. My charger choose to fall in there. And then we have some lecture, some lighting here. This is your reading light. Alright. Seat itself, pretty nice, comfy. Oh, this is your seat, by the way. More like a car seat kind of thing. Nice. Right. And here on the side, apparently you can put this one up here. Headrest, armrest, headrest. And down again. Does this open as well? No. Yes, it does. And there is your headphones. That's it. From China. We have a look. There it is. Nice. Got my own shoes. Now let's see. We have our fun pack. Can have a look at what we get here. Oh, this is nice. The table is actually, you can put it in several positions and it will hold. Oh, let's see. So let's see. Amenities. Oh, the usual. So creams, nositan. Yeah. There is. Nice. Brush. Not so sure if I'm gonna need that. We have the toothbrush, of course, and there. Some toothpaste, some wet towels. Here we have the eye mask. Yep, and some earplugs, of course. Perfect. All we need. Okay, entertainment system. It's a nice big screen actually. But it's okay. I have it in English. Let's see. You got your movies, of course. It's entertainment trending now. What do we have? It goes that way. Then we have our pantouf. One size fits all. Or not. My fault. I have 47, so I have pretty big feet. Otherwise it would be okay. Very good morning. Yes, I slept at least some hours. Had a wonderful dinner, great breakfast. Crew on Air China, top notch as always. Those guys are really good, really nice. Those seats, the new seats, they're nice. But my honest opinion, I prefer the old ones, which I think are more comfy. More spacious. Anyway, cabin is secured already, so we're on our way down, descending. Our flight was like 7.5 hours or something, not even 8 hours, so it's pretty quick. Unfortunately, because it's really nice here. Could have slept some more. Descending down to Beijing now, where we're gonna change flight aircraft. So now we're gonna take another flight to Chengdu. Yeah, China. Guess we're gonna hit the business lounge in the meantime. And yes, from there we go. Everything is going smooth so far. Very happy, very pleased. And yeah. What do you think we did? We made ourselves some small business cards. Check them out here. What do you think? We have the Chinese sign. When you turn it, yeah, for a YouTube channel. Just scan it and enjoy. So we made those now for the trip. We even did some t-shirts, which we're gonna show you later on. Also with the same barcode in Chinese. So I'm gonna wear them so people hopefully come and scan me or Sophia or Fee. Let's see. In the lounge in the Beijing airport, Sophia had something to do, Mooncake Festival, so she was invited to do some artwork, do some painting, and of course things we could take home. Nice, very nice for the kiddos in the lounge. Right, that is us, last flight, on time, going to Chengdu. Grab the girls and off we go. That was quick and problem-free. Alrighty. I like where this is going. Got my coffee here. Soon something to munch for sure. Here we have our nuts. My girls, they're also enjoying themselves. Okay, look what my girls just got there. Fee has some beef with rice. And Sophia has the noodles. I think I ordered exactly the same as Sophia, so let's have a look. Yes, here we go. That's mine. The noodles with some beef. Today is the Mooncake Festival, by the way, so the mooncake is a must. And some fruits and some... Let's find out. Let's say chicken salad. Oh, this looks like mission success. It was actually delicious. Here we have it, the mooncake. Oh, let's see. Try it. Very nice. Look who's making a mess. And then we have it. It's actually really nice. Right, we made it to Chengdu in one piece. It's a very, very long flight, longer than planned, but we did it. Air China delivered. I love this airline. They're really good. The staff is so professional, they're so nice, so kind. The flight from Beijing to Chengdu, those guys were amazing. So thumbs up, big thank you. And we had a big fun and a really great time on board, as we always do. Those guys are good. Anyway, now Chengdu, let's get out. Let's hope our baggage is here, and then we try to find our guide. We got a pickup and a driver. And then head to the hotel and finally try to get a shower. That is about cheese around here. Just admiring the airport here. It's actually pretty nice. Fairly new, fresh. Nice color scheme, modern. Wow, nice. Arrival hall, let's see. Now we're just gonna find our conveyor belt where the luggage is supposed to come. I think I saw it was 18, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 18. My girls are also reading. Yep, there it is, 18. We're good. I mean, look at that, this is so nice. They put some trolleys around so you don't have to run for them. They're actually already here when your luggage comes. This is so well done and sorted here. This is crazy, guys. Love it. Hey, how cool is that? All luggage came. And we have help. Made it. Allez, let's get out.